In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GDPR compliance features in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know how to enable the built-in tools, choose a lawful basis for processing, manage consent effectively, and monitor your overall compliance from one place. First, let's turn on the GDPR features in your account. In Zoho CRM, open Setup, then go to Security Control and select Compliance Settings. You'll see a GDPR compliance option. Switch it on. Choose the modules where you handle personal data, such as leads, contacts, vendors, and any custom modules you use, then save. Once enabled, those records will include a data privacy section with dedicated GDPR fields. Keep in mind, only users with permission to manage compliance settings can make these changes. Next, set a lawful basis for processing personal data on individual records. Open a record in one of the enabled modules, scroll to the Data Privacy section, and update the data processing basis. You'll choose from options like consent, contract, or legitimate interest, depending on your use case. If you haven't set this yet, records will appear as not applicable by default, so it's important to assign an appropriate basis and save. If consent is the lawful basis you'll use, start by customizing your consent form. Go to Setup, then Security Control, then Compliance Settings, and Open Consent Form. Choose the language, add the purpose of data collection, define communication preferences, include your privacy statement, and tailor any other text as needed. Preview the form and save it. You'll receive a shareable link you can include in communications to capture consent directly from data subjects. To streamline outreach, add that consent link to your email templates and send consent requests to leads and contacts. When recipients submit the form, their consent status updates automatically in the CRM, so you don't have to track this manually. Zoho CRM records the consent status for each record as pending, waiting, obtained, or not responded, which makes it easy to see where follow-up is needed. You can also define how the system behaves when consent is missing or overdue. In compliance settings, open preferences to set a waiting period for consent replies and choose what happens if consent isn't obtained. You can continue processing, stop processing altogether, or restrict actions like emailing or editing on those records. Finally, use the GDPR Overview dashboard in compliance settings to get a quick snapshot of your compliance posture. Review how many records fall under each lawful basis, check consent statuses across modules, and drill into the lists to send consent forms or update records as needed. This centralized view helps you stay organized and act quickly to maintain compliance.